Did you know that the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, is nature's own light show? This dazzling natural phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with gases in Earth's atmosphere, creating vibrant displays of color. The process begins with solar winds, streams of charged particles released from the sun. When these particles reach Earth, they interact with the magnetic field and atmosphere, primarily at high latitudes near the Arctic Circle. The result? Stunning waves of green, pink, purple, and even red lights dancing across the night sky. Did you know that the most common color seen is green? This happens when the particles collide with oxygen at lower altitudes. However, at higher altitudes you might see red or purple hues, which are caused by interactions with nitrogen. The best time to catch a glimpse of the Aurora Borealis is during the winter months when nights are longest and skies are darkest. Popular viewing spots include Iceland, Alaska, Canada, and Norway. But remember, it's a natural phenomenon, so patience is key. The Aurora Borealis isn't just a visual spectacle. It's a reminder of the dynamic relationship between our planet and the sun. So if you ever get the chance, don't miss the opportunity to witness this magical light show.